Welcome to this global file cache walkthrough video. We're going to talk about some of the service account principles specifically on CVO that are used by the global file cache solution. In order to validate that your service account has been embedded in the Cloud Volumes ONTAP SVM, storage VM, there's a few ways to validate that. So first thing we're going to do in our Cloud Manager session, we're just going to click on the CVO HA pair or single node where we've enabled global file cache on. We actually will navigate to the information tab to figure out how do we access this cluster. And I'm going to take the cluster IP address. There's two ways to manage your cluster IP address: through the ONTAP System Manager by just navigating to the IP address URL in your browser, and then subsequently navigating all the way through the UI to find different options there, or navigating or using a buddy session like an SSH session to your cluster IP address. And that's what we're going to do. In order to double check the service account, which is typically a part of the local backup operators group on the back end, we're going to use the vserver sifs users and groups local group show command. And you can see the backup operators group exists. And if I run show members, I can see that my service account is actually a member of the actual backup operators group. So NetApp GFC VYAP. I've added another core in my environment that uses a different service account name. So I'm using GFC admin. So what I'm going to do for this right now, I'm just going to change my command. And I made a few mistakes before because you need to make sure that the group names are correct, your local group name is correct, the vserver name is correct. Also, don't forget about using double quotes for the built-in backup operators group. But by using this command, vserver sifs users and groups, I can actually add this GFC admin to be part of the local backup operators group on the SVM that I highlighted. So that's it. This is a way to double check your credentials and your service account are set up properly. Thank you and have a great day.